Should you clean your air conditioning unit yourself or get help depends on the unit type, access difficulty, and your confidence with mechanical tasks. Start by identifying the unit and reading the owner manual to learn specific disassembly steps and safety warnings. Turn off all power at the breaker and verify the unit is unpowered using a non-contact tester or voltage tester to avoid electrocution. For accessible window or portable units, remove filters, vacuum debris, and wash reusable filters with mild detergent and water, letting them dry fully before reinstalling. For split systems, clean indoor coils with a fin comb and coil cleaner applied per product directions while protecting surrounding surfaces from runoff. Outdoor condensing units require clearing vegetation, straightening bent fins gently with a fin comb, and spraying the condenser coil from the inside out if you can safely remove the fan shroud. Never force components that resist. If any step needs two people because of heavy panels or awkward angles, recruit a partner to hold parts steady while you work to prevent damage or injury. Common mistakes include attempting complex disassembly alone, which can lead to dropped panels or stripped screws. Recruit a helper for heavy or awkward pieces, or stop and call a heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technician. Another issue is neglecting electrical safety and assuming the unit is off, which risks shock. Always lock out and tag the breaker and verify 0 voltage before touching wiring. A third frequent problem is using high-pressure water on delicate fins and coils, which can bend fins and reduce efficiency. Use low pressure, a soft brush, or a fin comb and let chemical cleaners dwell the recommended time. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and read community experiences so we can make more informed choices for maintenance help. Our site also connects contractors seeking work with homeowners and hosts a discussion community where we and others share tips and ask questions.